Okay guys, in the previous video we have seen about insertion at beginning. In this video let's talk about insert at end. Okay, this is again very simple. Okay, say I'll take the common example that we assume. So this is 1001. Start variable points to this 1001. So I'll have one more. This is 1000. So this is 1002. All right. Okay, let me have some spaces. This would be enough. 1002 because it points to next node, right? So points to this node address is 1002, and here you have 20,003, and this points to next node because you have 1003 here. So this node address is 1003, and you have 30 and null. Okay, this is our example, right? So insert at end, what do you mean by that? It's very simple. You have to make the new node to be your last node. So let me have the new node here 40, and let me assume it is the address is 5001. It's having null. Very simple guys. You just have to, okay, for comfortability sake I'll just write the new node here so that it will be easy for me to link 5001, right? So I just want to make this element as the last element. Only one change you have to make, that is the last field's new node should connect to this node, should link to this node, then this element will become the last element. How do you do that? It's very simple. You just have to store the address of this node in this next field. Okay, what I'm meaning here is you just delete this, and if you say 5001 now, and now this will point to this last node. Okay, but how do we do that? First of all, as far as a linked list is concerned, you will get only the starting pointer, guys. Okay, you will get only the starting address. You won't get the last address. Actually, you won't get the last address. So first of all, the important thing to understand here is you have to run a loop. Starting from this up to this, and you have to get the address of the last node. That is very important here. You have to run a loop and you have to get the address of the last node, because we don't know the address of the last node. You have to traverse through the loop and list, and you have to get the address of the last node. Let's say I have run the loop and I have the address as temp1. Okay, so this is my address of the last node. Then it's very simple. Temp1 of next points to new node. Okay, temp1 of next is equal to new node. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so this is all about insert at end, and in our next video I think we should move on and talk about insert at a specific position or after a specific position also. Thanks a lot.